Inspection of confined spaces can be dangerous, expensive, and lengthy. Reliability and efficiency is what drives your success. Meet ASIO Pro, a new drone solution from Flybotix. Built from the ground up to solve existing limitations in traditional and drone-based inspection of confined spaces, more specifically in tanks, as well as in high and long structures. Designed to be easily deployed and quickly ready to fly. The drone is equipped with a radiometric thermal FLIR imager and a Sony-based wide-angle 4K camera, recording at 30 frames per second to capture the smallest details. You take full control of the image by setting manual or automatic ISO and exposure time. The cameras are mounted on a gimbal capable of pointing fully up or down without image obstruction. A robust, full HD digital live signal streaming to the remote control gives you continuous visual feedback of your flight over hundreds of meters in sewers or tunnels. Keep flying even in difficult environments thanks to the ASIO range extender. Powerful see-through lighting automatically following gimbal orientation allows you to have a clear view even in dusty environments. The novel passive battery cooling system enables operations in higher temperatures for the entire duration of the ASIO flight. ASIO Pro includes a TrueSmart battery management system, ensuring longer battery life and safer operation, while providing reliable estimation of the remaining flight time. And we all know how crucial this is in confined spaces operation. Detect obstacles earlier thanks to the new longer-range sensors of ASIO Pro. ASIO Pro is equipped with high-performance navigation sensors, which enable operation in low-light and low-texture environments. A more robust flight control algorithm with control compliance allows the drone to detect and avoid collisions with obstacles. The ASIO cage has been enhanced, allowing you to fly with even more confidence. Fly more easily with ASIO Pro Assist modes. Lock your position with visual lock in GPS-denied environments. Keep a fixed distance to obstacles with wall lock, ground lock, and roof lock. Easily recover the drone with the turtle mode. Take the perfect dataset and photogrammetry mode for digital twin generation. The easy-to-use ASIO Flight app comes pre-configured on the remote control with integrated touchscreen for full control of the drone, lighting, and all assist modes. The second screen offers more flexibility, allowing both the pilot and inspectors to monitor the flight. It may take some time to reach an object for inspection and return again. That's why our drone offers you 24 minutes, the longest flight time in its category, giving you peace of mind when carrying out your work. Discover ASIO Explore 2.0. Introducing Explore 2 with a fully reworked user interface and the sought-after 3D map generation feature for point-of-interest localization, real temperature monitoring, customizable report generation. Inspect confidently with ASIO Pro in tanks for oil and chemicals, tanks in maritime, cargo holds and ballasts, all types of tunnels, sewers and drainage systems, internal wind turbine blades, chimneys and smokestacks. Standing with you, ASIO Pro, your professional tool for confined space inspection from Flybotix.